literally spins around and comes disconnected from your fan blades. It's a loud, loud screeching sound. It's buzzing. Okay, that was quick.
They probably should have changed their furnace filter more regularly.
So this is what the fan looks like inside of this housing here. I'm going to show you something that you probably have never seen before. This is a Carrier furnace. This fan pumps both cold air and hot air. There is a crimp connection that holds this disc to these fan blades. And it's come loose, as you just saw. And now I'm going to charge them $3,000 to replace it. This stays attached, and this is all attached. So this is the part we have to watch out for. There we go. Ooh. Debris. Oh, snap, look at that. So this is what happens. This center disc here is attached to this hub, attached to this shaft on the motor. And this disc comes free from these fins and starts spinning around. And you can see there's a little crimp connection there. Little indentation. I don't want to say it's common, but it happens often that this disc will spin in here and then it explodes. And we almost got to see that live. No damage to the housing except the fan here. And we're going to get this completely removed and replaced with a new fan for $3,000. I'm going to try to give you a close-up of what happens. This disc here, a disc, a wheel, very hard to describe it without seeing it, literally spins around and comes disconnected from your fan blades. It's a loud, loud screeching sound. The louder the sound, the more expensive the repair. And if it goes bang, Easy, easy, girl. Fire in the hole. So you're probably wondering, what caused this catastrophic failure? Let's take a look at the furnace filter area. I see some old ones up here, but ain't got nothing in here. So my guess is they started slacking off on changing their furnace filter. The fan blades got caked with gunk and got out of balance, which broke those crimp connections. And well, you saw what happened. This is what happens. You can go to filterbuy.com. You can order whatever size filter you need. This one here is a 20 by 25 by 5-inch furnace filter. If you need a custom size, say you need this a little shorter, 1 inch shorter, a ½ inch shorter, they make custom sizes. Like a glove. There's an inside view of the furnace filter and where the air comes through the cold air return. That's this here. So air comes down through here, passes through the filter, comes through this top area, comes through that bottom area, up into the fan, and if you're heating, it goes through your burners. If you're cooling, it goes through the evaporative coil and out through the ductwork. This house is fairly new, just out of warranty, conveniently just out of warranty, and I found some very, very interesting things that the internet says is very bad and taboo. I don't quite have a problem with all these things, but I know people in the comments do. So let's go look at some. Here we go. Shark bites. Shark bites. Why is that on a brand new house? I thought that was illegal in most states. I thought this was frowned upon. Well, it's not. Read it and weep. Shark bites in a brand new house. We got some PEX. We got all sorts of stuff. We got flexible gas lines. Oh my God. I wonder, is that high quality, brand new house? Couple mil? So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. A lot of you are probably wondering, did I really charge $3,000 for maybe 30 minutes of work? It took me longer to drive here than it took me to replace this fan. Where did I come up with that $3,000? That's the price the customer was quoted to have this replaced. And the customer did a very good job at diagnosing it. He called me up and told me exactly what it was. He poked his head in there, saw this thing was wiggling around, easily found the part numbers, got this ordered off the interweb, and they're back up and running in just a few days. The only reason it took a few days, because the shipping. If you're in business, if you're one of those HVAC technicians that charges $3,000 for 30 minutes of work, you probably won't stay in business very long. You have to provide high value for the money. You're probably thinking, how much did this guy actually charge? He didn't tell us in the video. And I didn't. I got sidetracked. My cost for replacing that fan was $1,500. 50% less than the larger HVAC company. Tell me down below, do you have a problem with that? If you do, you might want to go watch my business video. It'll be out today or tomorrow. All I got to do is edit it up, upload it, and it'll be ready. I will be posting a link to that video in the description and in a pinned comment. So you can go over there, check it out, get an understanding of the handyman's money. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.